everyone, this is Rihan Mugawer from Order Out of Case Studio, and I'm here to give you a little brief on the paper beading workshop which will happen on It's Her Way on the 11th of July. Paper beading is a lovely skill to turn and recycle every scrap paper around the house into beautiful, stunning beads. You can use in lovely projects like jewelry making, you can make bookmarks, you can make keychains and loads more. We have some assorted colored paper, beads roller, and a little bit of glue, and that's all what you need actually to make lovely beads like these ones. And we have created also a do-it-yourself kit which is available on ItsHer store. You can pick it, or you can utilize the replacement materials that I have actually mentioned on the description also of the workshop. So make sure to check it out, and I'll make sure to make a demonstration for you on the workshop and teach you each of them how do they work. On the workshop we will be able to make those lovely bracelets. They are very beautiful. They have nothing to do with paper. They don't even look like paper, and the weight of them is pretty good for a bracelet, and they are lovely gifts for family, friends. And if you can even imagine that if you have an invitation card and you can just cut it into a certain template that I'm gonna teach you, and it will be a lovely memory between you and your friends, and specifically after such time, those little gifts will be very meaningful and nice. I look forward to see all of you there, and thank you. See you. Bye.